Hello everybody, you can call me Hunch. I am going to go over price targets, not because I know what the price is going to be or anything like that, but I'm going to be upfront with you. I am a new trader, right? I am new at indicators and I'm learning about Fibonacci, resistance levels, and moving averages, right? I have a general understanding. I want to give you a little background about me. I am a long-term investor, right? I've been invested in Bitcoin since 2017, in the late stages of the bull run. I went through the crypto winter, right? I had a lot of pain, a lot of suffering, okay? We got through it though. So remember, if you're not a trader, just accumulate assets that you like. But if you want to trade, I'm going to go over what I think, and feel free to correct me in the comments, and let's learn together, right? Like and subscribe if you want to learn together. I'm not telling you all the answers. I'm telling you what I think and the knowledge I'm picking up along the way, right? I've gone over resistance levels and all that for this one token called SAND. I really like SAND, not because of the chart, not because of some pumpers on Twitter. I like it because I think the game looks interesting. I think that the NFT aspect and the marketplace aspect is really interesting. And you have to remember, I'm 32. I come from an age where the Diablo game store with real cash, the auction house, was really cool to me. You could make real money, right? It was like, or if you play World of Warcraft, you can auction off your items. I thought that was really interesting. And that's basically what an NFT type system is, right? You have an item and it is in your name and you can sell it without any third parties taking ownership like the game itself, right? So let's jump into the chart. This is SAND, and this is basically I think it's the monthly chart, right? So as you can see, it's been going parabolic, right? And we'll start down here, and let's go to the top. So these are Fibonacci levels, right? As you can see, at the top of the Fibonacci level, right, we started to get overheated for like a 5-day period from the 22nd to the 28th, right? And you can see that the support level that I called in the mid 6s is at that 50% retracement level. So just based on all those lines I drew in the previous videos, which I implore you to go watch because I think they're really interesting, I called it perfectly without even knowing about, I knew about it, without even using these Fibonacci's, right? And so I got asked, what do you think the price targets are? Blah, 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 right? I don't know exactly, right? I'm not a financial advisor. I'm learning just like you guys. But if I had to guess based on the Fibonacci level and how I read the chart in a simple manner in my previous videos, right? If this support holds and Bitcoin doesn't take a dump, remember, it's all based around Bitcoin. If Bitcoin goes poo-poo, pashoo, then we're going to go further down, right? Into the lower Fibonacci levels, right? Until we find support. But say we hold this level, right? And Bitcoin doesn't nuke the earth, right? Okay, so then I'm going to go over to where I think there's going to be a reversal, right? I'll do it a few days pass. I'll do it where I think here. I'll even go a little lower because I think support is around this 50 level Fibonacci level, right? And I'll do it for, another 5 days or so, right? So if I had to guess, if I can put that there, this is how I see it going. I see it staying in this level, right? Kind of shooting up, bouncing up. And then if we have another logarithmic type move or a parabolic type move, I would think that here, can I move this? That we get to the high 9s, right? We'll bounce around, probably go back up, then go back down, move to the Fibonacci level again, and then move back up. So if you're a trader, this is how I would trade it, right? I'm not a super high level trader right now. I'm working on it and I'm growing, right? I have a finance degree, but I'm a physical therapist by trade. I have a doctorate in physical therapy, right? So I haven't done these charts in a long time. I'm refreshing myself, right? But if I had to guess, if Bitcoin doesn't take a dump, this is where I think SAND is going to be if we continue on in the bull market, right? I think SAND is going to continue growing. I think gaming is what NFTs were made for, right? I don't think JPEGs, right? I think that's mostly hype. Maybe some digital art stays relevant like Beeple or Bored Apes, right? But for the majority, like if you don't want to do that, right, and you just want to trade things you're really interested in or accumulate at certain levels, this is where I'd be doing it. I'd be accumulating here, wait for the move up. If you think it's overheated, take some off the table and then accumulate back down here again. That's just my thoughts on the price targets. So high 9s for the next move up if we continue to move up, a little retracement and then another move up, right? These are on a logarithmic scale. These are not on a slow kind of trajectory upwards like stocks. But some stocks even had these crazy volatilities. Think about Amazon. So for Sand, this is what I think is going to happen with Sand if Bitcoin continues up. You can call me Hunch. Hit the like and subscribe if you want to learn with me, right? I'm going to continually improve. I'm not going to tell you that I know everything, right? I just am asking questions, right? And I'm going to ask questions until I become successful. And that's what I did with Bitcoin. I became wildly successful with Bitcoin because I continued to press myself, right? And I think you should too. And if you want to press yourself to become the best you can be, I think you should follow, because that's basically what this channel is about, getting better. You can call me Hunch. Thanks for stopping in. Not a financial advisor, but I'm as good looking as one.